Hey there, welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update, brought to you by the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. I'm Ron, and as always, thank you so much for joining us today. Donald J. Trump is officially the next president of the United States of America. And while millions of Americans are rejoicing in the victory, many aren't doing so well. And let me tell you, no matter what side of the aisle you're on, there are still thousands of others who are concerned about their savings, no matter who's president. So only time will tell whether Donald J. Trump can save the day, but there are indisputable headwinds he's up against. We still have nearly $36 trillion in debt, and it's not slowing down. The interest on that debt alone is now larger than our entire defense budget for the first time in history. And on top of that, we've got the wars that started under President Biden still raging across the globe. And did anyone see the last job reports before the election? Even Politico called it scary, and CNN said it was messy. It was reported that demand remains subdued as companies continue to show an unwillingness to invest in capital and inventory due to concerns, for example, inflation resurgence. And there was a machinery manufacturer that said, sales have been very slow the past 6 months. Will a job slowdown continue? We'll just have to wait and see. All right, now let's get back to Donald Trump and what a Trump presidency could look like. It's estimated that Trump's estimated economic plan would sink the nation $7.5 trillion further into debt over the next decade. Ouch, right? Trump has also called for an end to taxes on Social Security benefits. Between 50% to 85% of Social Security benefits are taxed, and cutting those funds would increase the deficit by $1.3 trillion. And then Trump's combination of tax cuts, tariff increases, military expansion, and mass deportations could also widen budget deficits by an estimated $7 trillion over the next decade, according to the Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget, or CRFB, a nonpartisan group that favors lower deficits. According to CNBC, sweeping new tariffs on imported goods would likely exacerbate the Biden-era inflation. The typical U.S. household would pay several $1,000s more each year on clothing, furniture, appliances, and other goods, estimates suggest. And all of this could have some negative impact on the economy. And the bottom line is, our fiscal situation could possibly get much worse if President Trump doesn't have a solution. How do you help protect yourself from these potential headwinds? Well, let me tell you. Thousands have already turned to precious metals like gold and silver. So let's take a look at what gold and silver did during Trump's last term in office. In January 2017, gold was approximately $1,150 per ounce. By January 2021, gold was approximately $1,850 per ounce, up a whopping 61%. And then how about silver? Well, silver prices in January 2017 were approximately $16 per ounce. And in January 2021, approximately $25 per ounce, up a nice 56%. So what's the takeaway from all of this? Past results don't necessarily predict future results, but gold and silver have seen significant increases during both the Trump and Biden administrations. But let us know what you think. Will Trump's second term be a boom for gold and silver? Go ahead and let us know in the comments below, because we really would love to hear your thoughts on this one. And if you're looking to learn a little bit more about how precious metals might be able to help you and why thousands of Americans are turning to precious metals to potentially help safeguard their retirement savings, just give a simple call to the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. Goldco works directly with mints around the world to source gold and silver coins directly from the mints that produce them, ensuring that the gold and silver you buy is 100% authentic. And with over 6,000 five-star reviews and over $2.5 billion in precious metals placement, Goldco has built up a reputation as one of the best and most trusted gold companies in the country. And Goldco is offering a free gold and silver kit to help inform you about how gold and silver can help. Simply click on the link below or use the QR code on the screen to get yours today. And don't forget to show us some love with a thumbs up and a click on that subscribe button. Until our next glittering journey, stay curious and keep shining.